Alright guys, so normally I would say we're in beautiful Ocean City for endless summer, but we're in rainy Ocean City for endless summer. You can see the car behind me's got the condom on it. We're at Tractor Supply. It is the pre-show. It's Wednesday. The official show starts tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a video a day for the next 4 days. I don't know how much you're going to get today, but we're still going to do a giveaway. So hopefully you can see this Bangin Gears fleece I got on. I have it in a large, I have it in a men and a women's. So you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment and like the video, and it'll put you in the running to win this. Tomorrow we're going to do something else. Tune in every day for a new giveaway. And next Friday, a week from Friday, excuse me, I'll put out a video of all the winners of the Endless Summer Bangin Gears giveaway contest, okay? So again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment and like the video, and we'll put you in the running for the Bangin Gears fleece, men's or a woman's, in a large only. So enjoy the video. After this, we're going to be at Secrets for the pre-show. Hopefully the rain will stop, and we'll see you there. We'll see you tomorrow.
Dispatch to all units, be advised. Endless Summer Cruisin has officially started. There might be a few stragglers left behind from last week's unsanctioned H2OI event. Use extreme caution.
So bad outside the bar, heading out as far away I can. Heart is pounding, got so damn out of hand. Doing 90 through the city night. Nothing's ever gonna be alright. Life will never be what it was. Hands are shaking, 'cause now my future is crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. Crack the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. And no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I go to prison or die by the night. I hear the sirens, they are closing. Fast car starts to spin, screaming tires, time is running short. I go on foot as my last resort, running harder, faster than before, until my legs and feet are sore. Life will never be what it was. My mind is shaking, 'cause now my future is crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. With a baseball bat, but justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. And no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. Have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the knife.
All available units, backup is requested on the corners of Coastal Highway and 52nd Street. Reckless driving suspect is in a 1965 Shelby Cobra replica.
Now my future's crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. And no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old self.
Dispatch.
Go for dispatch.
Dispatch, reckless driving suspect has been apprehended. Vehicle will be impounded. Incident was a YouTube video prank.
Was it an H2OI member or an endless summer cruiser?
It was just some jerk from a channel called Bangin Gears. Damn YouTubers.